The following video is designed to help healthcare professionals understand the proper application, removal, and disposal of personal protective equipment.
And now we're going to do a short introduction of the personal protective equipment, otherwise known as PPE, that you'll be using out in the field. The first one is the Disposable Lab Jacket that you'll be wearing, as well as the mask with the face shield in order to protect your eyes, and of course the gloves. Now, as you can see, I have my personal protective equipment being my Disposable Lab Jacket, as well as my gloves on. And this is obviously, the different styles may vary depending on what you have, but the main importance of this is obviously protecting you from any droplets that may come your way in the collection process. And now I want to demonstrate putting on your face mask with the face shield that's going to protect your eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this around my ears. And you want to make sure that you tighten it around the nose and make sure there's no air flowing in between the bridge of your nose and your forehead. Now I want to give a demonstration of the removal of the Disposable Lab Jacket. This is a very critical part of the process, as obviously you do not want to be exposed to any potential virus or anything else that the patient you came in contact during the collection process may or may not have. So you always want to leave on your mask during this process, and then you're going to go ahead and do the breakaway. So we're going to go ahead and do a pulling, and sometimes it takes a little bit of pulling for it to break off, and then it's going to break around your neck, and you want to leave your gloves on, pull it away from your arms, and you want to go ahead and kind of pull it as much as possible into your gloves. So the lab jacket is actually, as much as possible, mind you, being contained within the gloves. And then you want to just do a disposal, preferably in the patient's garbage. All right, now that we've disposed of our disposable lab jacket, you want to go ahead and leave your mask on as you hand sanitize before you leave the location. Once you leave the location, you want to go ahead and properly dispose of your mask without touching the outside, as well as sanitize as you normally would.